Hey everyone, so today I will be showing you how to create a crossword puzzle here in Canva. So be sure to watch till the end. Let's start on a clean page. Go to the apps and search for puzzles. Then click this one. Here you can choose if you want to enter manually or upload a file. Canva also has word list presets so you don't need to type a lot of words. You just choose from their options. For this example, let's go for animals. You can also choose if you want to generate multiple puzzles. You can also edit the word search settings, max number of rows per puzzle, number of rows, number of columns, word search directions. And once you're satisfied, click on generate. And there you have it. You have both the crossword and the answer sheet for it. You can use it as a learning material for your kids, or you can also sell this as a digital product on Etsy. Want more Canva tips and hacks? Be sure to follow my page and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Link in the comment section. See you in my next video. Bye!